there, it's me again, Peter Sayadzad, attorney with the law office of Bryan Fagan. I want to talk to you about how to ensure your safety by filing a protective order if you or someone you know are going through a family or domestic violence situation. Domestic violence is never okay, and you must know how to protect yourself when or if this happens. There are 3 aspects of a protective order: who qualifies and can file a protective order, how to file a protective order, and the terms or guidelines for a Houston protective order. Number 1, who qualifies and can file a protective order? Family and dating violence and child abuse are any act or threat to act by a family or household member that causes or intends to cause physical harm or bodily injury. Anyone who is related biologically or through marriage, foster parents, former spouses, step-parents, roommates, or anyone who lives in the same house not only qualifies but can also file a protective order, and someone who is harming anyone in their same place of residence. Number 2, how to file a protective order. It is definitely recommended you go through an attorney to file a protective order. However, you can file a request pro se, which means on your own through the county clerk's office in your respective county of residence. Once an order is filed, a judge sets the hearing date within 14 days of the filing. If you or someone you know is in immediate danger, a temporary protective order can be issued by your judge. Temporary protective orders are good for 20 days, whereas a final protective order is valid for 1 year. At the hearing, the judge will listen to both sides and any witnesses each side might have, in addition to examining any evidence the parties might present. If the respondent, otherwise known as the defendant, does not appear at the hearing, but the petitioner, who is the one that filed the order, does, then the judge will issue a default protective order. This means the protective order will be issued against the respondent. However, if the tables are turned and the petitioner does not appear at the hearing, but the respondent does, then the judge will not issue a protective order. Number 3, the terms or guidelines for a Houston protective order are quite simple. Do not under any circumstances go near or harm the protected children or person who filed the protective order. The alleged offender cannot possess a firearm, threaten, harass, stalk, or commit any type of family or domestic violence toward the protected parties. All communication prohibited in the protective order is not allowed with anyone under protection. The alleged cannot go to or near the protected adult's place of residence and all places of employment where the protected party works. The offender can also not go towards or near any school, child care facility, or place of residence of the protected child. Hopefully now you have a better understanding on how to secure your safety if you are experiencing a family or domestic violence situation. If this is happening to you, please do not hesitate to call us today so we can help you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and turn on post notifications for our YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook for more updates.